So guys, for the first method, it might be giving you a timer right here, telling you how long you need to wait before you can sign into Windows. If it gives you a certain amount of time that you need to wait for, then just wait for that time to expire, and then it should let you sign in. If there is no time limit, or you just can't sign in anyway, then for the second method, in the bottom right, you want to click on the power icon, and now you want to hold Shift on your keyboard and then click on Restart. This is where the Shift key is located on your keyboard. So click on the power icon, hold Shift on your keyboard and then click on Restart. As the computer is restarting, keep on holding Shift. Do not let go of Shift. Which will now take us to here. I'm going to show you 3 things that we can try. So you want to go to Troubleshoot, and then click on Advanced Options, and then click on System Restore. If you have any restore points available on your computer, then you want to click on Next, and then go back to your restore point. If you don't have any restore points, that's fine. We're going to click on Cancel. For the next method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Start to Prepare. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. It should then take you back into the sign-in screen. See if that works. See if it lets you sign in. If it doesn't, then we're going to go back to the other screen. So click on the power button, hold Shift, and then click on Restart. For the next method, just simply click on Continue and then go back to Windows, see if that works. Then for the last method, you want to come back to this screen, click on Troubleshoot, and if you want to, you can reset your computer. If you don't have your files backed up, you want to click on Keep My Files. If you do have your files backed up, you want to go with Remove Everything. Reset your computer, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.